On with us, we are tracking some other international news for which we'll require your inputs. Now, Bill Clinton has told lawmakers that he saw nothing that gave him a pause when he spent time with Jeffrey Epstein, as the former president gave closed-door testimony about his relationship with the late sex offender. He also said, and I quote here, "I saw and did nothing wrong." In a prepared statement, Clinton told the House of Representatives Oversight Committee that he would not have flown on the late financier's plane if he had known about his alleged sex trafficking of underage girls, and would have reported him to the police if he did. Remember, Clinton flew on Epstein's plane several times in the early 2000s after he left office and before Epstein's 2008 conviction of soliciting prostitution from a minor. A tranche of documents released by the Department of Justice includes photos of Clinton with women whose faces have been redacted. So, Arzu, now we have Bill Clinton's closed-door testimony. He stated that I did and saw nothing wrong.
Well, yes, in a post, Clinton addresses the allegation linked to his past association with Jeffrey Epstein, and writing in a strong worded statement, Clinton says that had he known about Epstein's criminal conduct, he would not only have refused to travel on his plane, but would have personally reported him to authorities and led call for justice. And as some who grew up in a home with domestic abuse, the post reads, not only would I not have flown on his plane if I had any inkling of what he was doing, I would have turned him in myself and led the call for justice for his crimes, not sweetheart deals. And also, from a formal opening statement titled President Clinton's opening statement to the House Oversight and Government Reform Committee, in the longer text, Clinton reiterates that he had no knowledge of Epstein's criminal activities at the time of their association. He stated that he knew what I saw, and more importantly, what I did not see, asserting that he neither witnessed or not participated in any wrongdoing. So the statement also reflects on his, instance about what he was mentioning about, the relation between Jeffrey Epstein and Clinton, and now he defends himself. And these are the statement that has come from his side.
Arzu, please do stay on with us. We have